Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use Signal Private Messenger step by step. Today we will learn A. Yes. Today we will learn how to get backup for contacts and message on Signal app. Let's get started and see how can we do that. Click on Signal app icon. Press on three dots which showing on top right. Click on setting. Scroll down till we get chat. Click on chat backups. Press on turn on. You will find the code, you have to write down it because you will not be able to restore a backup without this code. Press OK on this box. Click enable backups. Click on create backup. And here you can find backup folder. Here you can test backup passphrase and verify that it matches. Click here. Enter here backup passphrase to verify. After writing, click on verify. Now it works. That's it. If this is your first time or watching my videos, please make sure to hit subscribe to get all new videos. Also consider like, share and comment. We will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.